United Sound. United Sound is a program through Ball State in which everyone can learn how to play an instrument. Enjoy their video. First, we have Jesse, a violin player.
So get your violin up and ready. All right, my turn first. Ready, go. Cake, 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 cake. Your turn. Ready, go. That was so good. Can you do it one more time all by yourself without me counting off? Will you just play cake, 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 cake?
Yeah.
Yay! That was so good.
Next is our very own Hayden, who also plays violin. He showcases other talents in this video.
So hard to please, but look around, leaves are brown, and the sky is a hazy shade of winter. Feel the salvation all around. Down by the riverside, it's bound to be a better ride than what you got planned. Carry your cup in your hand, and look around, leaves are brown now.
Yeah, so that one was a fun song. So Hayden, what instruments did you hear in that song? Do you know what instruments you heard with that song, Hayden?
Violin.
Not quite. It was a string instrument.
The drums.
Yeah, there were definitely drums in that one. So the
Tambourine.
Yeah, you heard the tambourine. Very good. And then the other instrument that was pretty prominent was guitar. And then towards the end of it, you might have heard a little bit of the trumpets play, just very briefly. But.
And last, we have Madeline, who also plays violin.
All right, Madeline. Show me your frog. Got frog? Cool. Show me the tip. Got the tip? Say tip. Say frog. Nice. Now let's go to the green string. Can you find your green string? Go right in the middle of the bow. Go ahead and teeter-totter for me between strings. Nice. Now stop on the green string. Stop on the green. Are you on the green? There we go. And now give me a little breeze. Okay, speed up the wind. Speed it up. Bigger wind. And stop. Oh my goodness. That was so good.
Dang, Madeline, you're jamming on that thing.
That's awesome. Holy cow. We're getting a lot of sound out of that violin. That's awesome.
Thanks for watching.